Welcome back. You're watching DD India News. I'm Lipakshi Khurana, and moving on, as Haryana prepares to go to polls tomorrow, the issues weighing on people's minds most are related to livelihood. From jobs to the needs of the micro and small-scale industry that gives employment to most of the unorganized labour force is what matters most to the voters. Our correspondent Amritpal Singh reports for more.
The Scientific Instruments Industrial Cluster at Haryana's Ambala, which has not been in the best of health in the past few years, is crying for attention. Home to more than 2,100 micro, small and medium industrial units manufacturing scientific instruments used in educational institutes like microscopes, incubators, glassware, the Ambala Industrial Cluster has been manufacturing and supplying scientific instruments since 1914, not only in the country but all over the world.
Ambala has been Asia's biggest market for the last 100 years. All the instruments are manufactured here. They were all supplied to engineering and medical colleges as well as for the satellite production.
उसमें भी कई पार्ट्स अंबाला से बन के जाते हैं.
And yet, the cluster cries for immediate attention. As political parties come seeking votes at their door, people here have their demands ready.
Here, the industry is very small. Laborers are working from home. Because of this, people from the pollution board disturb us. Neighbors accuse us of creating disturbance as well. So we need an industrial area plot of about 150 to 200 yards because we work on a smaller scale.
ताकि हमें एक जाके हम वहाँ पे इजी तरीके से अपना काम को कर सकें.
We have always lacked skilled labor here. In present times, people lack the budget to convert to automation. Ambala Kant is a small-scale industry.
यहाँ पर scientific industry को
We have an old base of scientific industry here, along with a brand, but we lack local infrastructure. So government aid towards export facilities will be beneficial.
फिर भी यहाँ पर हमें क्या है local थोड़ा सा infrastructure.
Though mainly unorganized, these units put together have an annual turnover of more than 3,000 crore rupees and provide employment to more than 20,000 people. As Haryana prepares to vote this Saturday, it's livelihood issues which matter most to people, like this scientific manufacturing industrial cluster of Ambala, which cries for attention, urgently seeking the policy makers to hear and meet their demands. With cameraman Saurabh Bakshi, this is Amritpal Singh for DD India in Ambala.
All right, moving on, respite from scorching heat seems